Hi friends, this is TG Machinery. During our operation, many problems may arise, such as the engine can't start, sudden stop during operation, or abnormal noisy. To avoid causing any delays, we made this video to solve some common problems for you. Alright, let's start the first part. Circuit problems. The frequency converter in the grinder can find out more than 80% of the troubles. When the machine breaks down, the inventor will display the corresponding fault code. If there is a short circuit inside the inverter, most of it is due to the short circuit of the inverter's electric fan, which causes the inverter to overheat and cause a short circuit. We should observe whether the terminals are burnt. If not, check whether the fan and the radiator are faulty.